Facebook has a hidden restricted list feature that lets you do exactly that. In this video, I'll show you how to restrict someone on Facebook in just a few quick steps using your phone. First, open the Facebook app. Once you're in, go to your profile page. Now, tap on Friends to open your friends list. You can either scroll through the list manually or use the search bar at the top to quickly find the person you want to restrict. Once you find them, tap on the Friends button, located under their profile picture. A menu will appear with different friendship options. From here, tap on Edit Friend List. Now you'll see multiple list options like Close Friends, Acquaintances, and Restricted. Simply tap on Restricted to enable it. You should see a check mark appear next to it. After that, tap Save at the bottom of the screen, and that's it. The person will still stay on your friends list, but they'll only be able to see your public posts or posts where you tag them directly. They won't get any notifications, so Facebook won't tell them they've been restricted. This is a really useful privacy feature if you want more control over who sees your personal updates without completely removing someone from your account.